Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I do my what I call a French twist crown in my hair. It's fast and easy to do. I use it to get hair out of my face so it's not blowing all in my face. All you need are some clips and then little rubber bands. I'm going to use these so that you can see them in my hair, but normally I would use these clear ones so that they are invisible. So first, I like to take hair to frame my face. You don't have to do this. I do it because I have a big forehead and I do it with every hairstyle. And then take a small section of hair up top, and then the bottom piece, choose where you want it to sit on your head. I like to do it a little bit up from my ear, so I do it like that, so that the hair is flowing down nicely, and then start twisting. After your first twist, go to the side and take a small section of hair from up top and add it to the top part like this, and then twist it over again and keep doing that. Try and hold it to where you want it on your head. Don't let it go down because then it'll mess up. Go to the middle back of your head, and then once you get there, twist it just normal. Normally I would have one of my sons come in and hold this for me while I do the other side, but just use a clip and try to clip it back as best you can to the rest of your hair back here. And make sure you clip it enough to where it won't unravel. After you're clipped in place, switch to the other side. So find your top part. First twist is normal, and then start adding hair. You kind of just have to experiment with how much hair to add. And once you get the hang of it, this is really easy to do. Make sure you twist extra just so that it's easier and not mess up. So once you twist it all, hold this, and then carefully unclip the rest of your hair. And then meet them in the middle in the back. Take your rubber band, I like to do one more twist just to make sure it's looks good right in the back center. So I take it and I flip it over. Once you flip it, I start at the back and I start loosening the twists so that they're a little bit messier and larger. I just pull out little pieces and then tighten as I go. And I just work my way up to the front. This will also hide any mistakes that you might have made or any hairs left out. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, just make sure the rubber band on the back is tight. You can add hairspray at this point if you want it to last longer or you have flyaways or anything like that. So this is what the front looks like. And then the side. And the back. I know I personally go for a messy look, so pulling it out of the twist just makes it look messier and like I have thicker hair, which I like. Or I add more twists down here with this hair. During the summer, I like to just do like a bunch of twists like this, and then braid all the hair together since it's so hot. But I'll do a video on that later. Other specific hairstyles that you want to see that's kind of like this, there's a bunch of different ones that I do, and I'll probably go through them all. But if there's any specifics that you want to see, let me know in the comments. Bye.